It's the weekend, meal prep time. Today, I'm going to share all the ways that I use to make sure I'm getting enough protein in my day. I'm eating a high protein diet, trying to strength train and put a little bit of shape onto my body. And I know a lot of other people are doing the same. Protein is so important, but sometimes it's hard to get enough. So I'm going to share with you today ways that I add more protein to meals that I'm already cooking and ways that I integrate good proteins into snacks. And you'll be surprised at some of the things that I share with you today. So stick around. We're all about the protein today.